On February 10, 2020, I delivered the Engelmore Memorial Award Lecture at the 34th Conference on Artificial Intelligence in New York City. The lecture was a response to the claim that artificial intelligence is an existential threat to humanity, a claim that was much mooted about by the press, government officials, technological idiot savants, and more than a few serious AI researchers. This is a silly claim. In the words of Andrew Ng, worrying about AI evil superintelligence today is like worrying about overpopulation on the planet Mars. We haven't even landed on the planet yet. The first section of the lecture was designed to demystify AI and place it in the context of a long scientific tradition reaching back to Aristotle. The field's history is complicated by the extremes of over-optimism and over-pessimism that are called AI summers and AI winters. The second section argues against specific reasons that have been put forward for AI being an existential threat. Each argument is paired with a true existential threat that is in part enabled by AI, but which receives less attention. It is important to note that although these true threats are supercharged by AI, they are driven by ordinary human evil. The third section returns to the science of AI with a discussion of how AI might get to its metaphorical Mars. The research is exciting, but its variety makes clear we are still far from takeoff. The delivery of my lecture and the publication of its written version are bookended by the two greatest disasters to date of the 21st century. That is the spread of COVID-19 and Russia's war against the Ukraine. When I gave the lecture, practically all government officials, from the president to the mayor of New York, were assuring us that COVID-19 would be no big thing. As I record this introduction, we are being assured by the governing experts that world war need never reoccur because economic sanctions can stop a tyrant from exerting his will through military aggression. I hope but doubt that the rulers and experts have better prescience now than they demonstrated with COVID-19. At least we can take small solace in not having to hear so much about the existential threat of AI, but that is weak tea indeed.